2-1. Got good movement on it. Teixeira gives it a heck of a ride. Deep right center field. Saunders makes the catch. Nicely done by the Condor, sweeping in, bouncing off the wall and holding on. Outstanding work. Felix salutes him.
Michael has done an exceptional job in center field. I think he surprised a lot of people, including Eric Wedge and his staff, with his ability to make plays like this. Franklin Gutierrez scheduled to be the center fielder this year, but Franklin hasn't been able to stay healthy. As you take a look at Michael, timing his jump, great concentration as he crashes into the wall. Another look from our McDonald's Supermo as Michael goes up high to grab this fly ball off the bat of Teixeira.